I'm going to show you why you need to be in laundry pickup and delivery. Pickup and delivery is where the money's at. Right here, what you're looking at are the filters for a brand new text message marketing campaign. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it, how many of our customers have spent over $10,000 in laundry services, wash and fold? So I type in $10,000, and you can see right over here, 62 customers at Super Suds at our family laundromat have spent over $10,000. But how many of those are from in-store drop-off? Well, all I have to do is flip this switch. I tap that, and the 62 goes down to 1, meaning only one customer has spent over $10,000 by bringing their laundry to Super Suds. The reason being is it's inconvenient to bring your laundry to the laundromat. It's a lot easier to have your laundry picked up from your house. And guess what? When you have it picked up from your house, you're also going to have them pick up a lot more because it's easier to take the laundry to your front door than it is to drive it down to the laundromat. So out of those 62 people, how many of those were pick up and delivery? Well, I just flip the switch, pick up and delivery. 61 are pick up and delivery. Okay. Out of those 61 pickup and delivery customers who've spent over $10,000, how many are residential versus commercial? And now you can see 2/3 of our 61 customers are residential. So these residential customers wind up spending a lot because it becomes a habit. A lot of our customers use us every week, every 2 weeks. And with our text message marketing module, I could scroll down and show you the names and phone numbers of all our customers who've spent over $10,000. Wouldn't you like to know your customers who've spent big money with you, who maybe have ordered more than 10, 20, 50, 100 times? Now you can. Now you could send them special messages, give them promos, reward them for their loyalty. With our new text message marketing module, you could reach any demographic within your customer base and send them a message, or just analyze the data. See how many people have ordered once but haven't ordered a second time. We found at our laundromat Super Suds, our most loyal customers are pickup and delivery. And if you're not picking up the laundry, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. So if you want to make more money, you need to pick it up. If you'd like to learn more about our text message marketing module and how that could increase your customer retention and help you get new customers, go to curbsidelaundries.com and schedule a demo.